Pedro is a student. He lives in Madrid with his mother and his sister. During the week, he wakes up at 7:30. The first thing he does is brush his teeth. Then he gets dressed and eats his breakfast. He usually has cereal with a banana. At 8:10, he catches a bus to school because his lessons start at 8:45. He has a break at 10:30 and usually eats a biscuit. At lunch time, he eats soup in the school cafeteria with his friends. Pedro finishes school at 4. After school, he plays football and gets home around 5:30. His mother cooks dinner, which they eat at 7. After dinner, Pedro does his homework and plays video games. At 9:30, he has a shower, then gets into bed and watches television. He goes to sleep at 10:30.